DataSmart is about three things. First, learn about data, including tools and methods. Second, learn by doing, no passive listening here. Third, learn together, in a community where we help each other. So, let's get started. We will do the following today. First, we will set up Python and the required packages on our computer. We will also run the code to scrape the ball-by-ball commentary for one test match from Cricinfo website. Second, we will walk through the code skeleton at a high level. This will position you to dive deeper into the code or make quick changes to the code, if you so wish. Third, we will talk about some great resources on web scraping that you can refer to. You need to download the code repository to your computer. The repository is hosted on GitHub. Make a note of the link. You can download the code repository as a zip file from GitHub. If you are familiar with GitHub, you can clone this as well. Before we dive into the code repository, let's do the required setup. You can follow the below instructions in the README file of the repository. You need Python and some packages to run this code. To check if your computer already has Python installed, try this command on the terminal Mac, or command prompt Windows. Mac comes pre-installed with Python. Windows users, though, will need to install Python. To install Python on your Windows machine, follow the instructions in the YouTube link. Go ahead, pause this video to get this done. Install the required packages using the pip command on the terminal or command prompt, as shown. Pause the video and install the packages. Ready to run the code? Let's dive into it. Running the code. This is the fun part. Run the scrape program, as shown. This will scrape the commentary for the test match, one innings at a time. Let it run to completion. The program will write a CSV file with the same name as the test match number in the output folder. Congratulations, you scraped the Cricinfo website. Let me walk through the code file. The code is in the file scrape.py. The main function extracts the test match number and series number from the arguments provided. It then calls the function scrape_test_match. The scrape_test_match is a wrapper function. It just calls the scrape_test_match_ins function for each of the 4 innings of a test match. The scrape_test_match_ins function calls the ESPN Cricinfo API, page by page, to extract the commentary as a JSON object. The parser function, parse_com, extracts the key data points of each ball and writes to a Python data frame. Back to the main function. The Python data frame is written to a CSV file. And we are done. You can find some more tutorials and blogs in the More Resources file.